Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2019 Porsche Cayenne S. Didn't think I was going to be filming this one today, but Brian of Hatch Motors, this is his personal Cayenne, and I'm like, hey, I'll check it out. Because it's actually the first time I've ever been in a Cayenne. What's the paint color on this one?
Oh, geez, it's not agate gray. Meteor gray metallic, maybe?
Start engine manually.
Go ahead. Yeah, do it.
Yeah.
Turn the key.
Oh.
Okay, there you go.
Must be the auto start stop.
Yeah, I think it's meteor gray metallic. But
It's a killer color, especially over the red leather. I've always been a sucker for red leather, so.
okay, your brake's on. You can take your brake off. Okay. You're in manual mode right now. There you go. So if you put it in manual mode, it's over, and then you run the paddles.
Yep.
Which I don't think I've ever done.
Oh, really? I think they used the ZF 8-speed in these. I think that's what they used. I know it's not PDK, but it's still fantastic. Okay, you are right. Even after stepping out of the 993, you can definitely feel the Porsche heritage. And especially the 5 gauges, it's a 911 signature, always has been. How long have you had this one?
May of 19. May of 19, I guess.
So, about a year and a half.
Yeah, exactly. This is a personal car. This isn't a company car.
Right. It's so weird how they can make a big SUV like this drive like a Porsche.
Yeah, they do a great job with the Cayenne. Even the new Taycan is incredible.
Taycan, I drove that one. It is fantastic. You know, I prefer it over the Model S in terms of handling and driving. It's fantastic. You know, those Toyota minivans, the Previas, are mid-engined.
Is that right?
Yeah. Engine's underneath the second row. I think they were supercharged 4-cylinders, too. Taking a right, correct?
Yes.
Oh, and then on left, okay.
Mm-hmm.
At least try manual mode with sport. See what that's like. Wow, that sounds really good. I was not expecting it to sound that good. Mind if I feel the acceleration?
Yep, just give yourself those 7 car lengths ahead before you catch up to that guy, that's all.
Good. Wow. That's fantastic. Even though, you know, Porsche could have slacked off on this and be like, all right, it's our full-size SUV. We don't need to make it that special. No, it's a really, really good SUV.
Yeah, it definitely fits right in their markup.
Absolutely.
Market lineup, sorry.
Eventually, when I have the time and money to do so, I definitely want to fly out to Germany, check out the Porsche Museum and all that. I've heard it's just absolutely beautiful over there.
Yeah, I took delivery of my GT3 Touring.
Oh, you did? You did do German delivery?
I did German delivery and ripped around the Alpine Road all the way from Lake Constance to Salzburg, Austria, and then from Salzburg to Prague.
Wow.
Czech. Yeah, it was fantastic.
Did you hit the Autobahn at all?
Oh, yeah. Well, yeah, but we honestly, most of the tour we did back road driving.
Which is
but
what
we were on the Autobahn.
But of course, you know.
We were still breaking the cars in, so it was good to
Right.
come on the back roads.
Yeah, because a lot of people are like, oh, you can't go over to certain RPM. Well, it's more along the lines of you can't just mill along on the highway at a certain RPM.
Right, you got to vary the speeds, etc. Those GT cars, they break them in ahead of time.
I believe, I heard
the
that.
The motors are all bench tested, but still, they still want you to break them in for the warranty.
Right. I mean, it's not good to sit there and take a car with, 12 miles on it and go rip it out on a track.
Right.
I mean, maybe
I'm sure people do.
I was just gonna say, maybe if you're getting rid of the car in like 3 months, sure, but
Sure,
I
guys,
wouldn't.
pull them out of the dealership and bring them to the track. They're built for it. I wouldn't do it, but I'm sure people do.
Oh, absolutely. I just noticed the speedometer goes up to 190 in an SUV.
Well, there's a sticker over there that limits it at 155.
Yeah, 150, which, okay. Yeah, 150, no more. I think that's based to the tires, I believe.
Yeah, it is.
California T? Nope, FF. Pretty cool. When those came out, I was like, when I have the money to do so, that's going to be a daily driver. And the FF, front engine V12, all-wheel drive, you could drive it all winter long. Ferrari owners would hate you for doing so, but...
Not the purists. Purists want to see you driving your cars.
Absolutely. I'm in the camp of that, where cars are built to be driven. Obviously not driven hard, put away wet kind of thing, but have a weekend, go out, drive the car.
Yeah, absolutely.
Thank you again, Brian, for letting me drive this thing. Definitely first time in a Cayenne, and it's the last model, well, obviously 918, stuff like that I've not driven, but last of the current model lineup to drive. Really, really fun, honestly.
Great.
Thank you guys for watching, and please stay tuned for the next video.